Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Sandhu and today I am here to discuss one important step which is there for writing task 2. When it comes to essay writing, we need to use this step in order to get a band 7. So my point is this, it's not the only step which is important to score band 7. There are various steps and it is one of the important steps. So let me discuss this step in detail with you. Basically here we are talking about interrogative sentences. You must not have heard this from one teacher or the other, but I'll say one thing, interrogative sentences matters the most, because if you'll be adding these sentences, examiner will get to know that you have command over the sentence pattern, you know various sentence structures also. So you need not to use the same sentence pattern everywhere, you need to use variety of structure. So to change the variety, you need to use interrogative sentences also. Here talking about the interrogative sentence in detail, now the first question which arises to mind is, where do we need to use these interrogative sentences? Firstly, understanding what exactly is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is the sentence which ends with a question mark, wherein a person is asking a question. When I am asking a question, so that is an interrogative sentence and I have to end it with question mark always. Okay, so this is the interrogative sentence. I believe now you're clear about interrogative sentence, but interrogative sentence, how can we use this? So we need to write, either we can write the interrogative sentence in the introduction or in body paragraph 2. Either of two. I'll never recommend you to write the interrogative sentence in conclusion. It's always beneficial if it's there in intro or in body paragraph 2. Okay, so what kind of sentences can be used? Let's understand the first sentence. Are these the only drawbacks associated with this? Drawbacks, what are drawbacks? Drawbacks, we are talking about some problems, okay? We are talking about some problems which are associated with this, okay? Are these the only repercussions, drawbacks associated with this? We can frame it according to the demand of the question. So we'll write, are these? I have already explained 2 drawbacks, okay, prior to this question. So after 2 drawbacks, I want to explain one more. So what will I do? Are these the only drawbacks associated with this? Whatever the issue is, I am writing, are these the only drawbacks associated with this? Question mark. After this, I cannot start any random sentence. I have to answer the question. I have to actually maintain coherence. So in order to maintain coherence, I'll answer this question as in, certainly not, there are many more. So certainly not, apparently not, certainly not, obviously not, comma, there are many more, काफी और भी हैं drawbacks. Then I'll explain the next, last but not the least, or the last one is this. Okay, उस तरीके से I have written this, use this interrogative sentence, and I'll say this is not the only criteria in order to achieve band 7. We have to do some more things. So for that you need to watch the writing module. I'll also put some links, like you'll see the links on the screen, so that you can watch the videos related to the desired score band 7. Second is, so what can be done to rectify this issue? Suppose we are writing some essay related to problem solution, and in the second body paragraph, so we are writing, so what can be done to rectify this issue? When I want to ask कि problem को कैसे rid करा जा सकता है, in that particular sentence I would write, so what can be done to rectify this issue? What can be done to curb this issue? What can be done to overcome this problem? Question mark. So this is the possible solution, or this is the most viable solution which can be adopted in order to get rid of this problem. So जो भी आपका solution है, that you will explain in the coming paragraph. Okay, in the same paragraph after this particular sentence. This is the way, or basically the way we'll be using interrogative sentences or the sentences with question mark. But here I would like to add one more thing. Now you would be thinking, I have told you sentences related to body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. What about interrogative sentence? If you want to use a particular sentence and that too interrogative in introduction, how can it be written? In that particular case, I'll recommend you to write interrogative sentence for introduction. What are the possible solutions? So why is this problem erupting and what are the possible solution? अब ये problem क्यों cause हो रही है and what are the possible solution? Why is this problem erupting and what are the possible solutions? So this is the way we'll write the question, use the interrogative sentence in the introduction. So why is this problem erupting and what are the viable solutions? Instead of writing possible solutions, I have written viable solutions कि क्या viable solutions है और ये कैसे problem erupt हो रही है. So this is the way I have mentioned it, and इस तरीके से will be using interrogative sentence in the essay writing. It's important for especially for GT students, I'll say, because we have to get 7 and that 7 score is very risky. Even if you have got 7 one time, you might not be able to achieve the same next time. It might decrease to 6.5 or it might rise to 7.5 also. So it's better we should have the fixed method, fixed approach, whatever we'll be using in order to get a good band score. So just get ready for that. I know you can do this easily. I have already explained you 3 examples. Just start using interrogative sentences. In case you have any doubt, do ask me in the comment section. I'll definitely answer all the questions for you. Thanks a lot for showing your love and appreciation, and do share this video with your friends because they'll also get benefited. There are so many students who have been waiting for a long time, who have given exam and 7 to 8 times, but they are unable to get a score 7 in writing. So use this tip. I'll know you'll definitely get success. Thanks a lot.